Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix your REALME 16 Pro Plus freezing or lagging. First, restart the phone by pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time. Swipe up to restart. We're waiting for the phone to turn back on, so I'll see you in a second once it's done. After the restart, we're going to clear the cache and data of any misbehaving apps. If one of the apps is misbehaving, go into Settings, then Apps, then App Management, and select the app. I'll choose Call of Duty as an example. Go to Storage Usage, click on Clear Cache, and as a final resort, clear the data as well. As a last resort, check for software updates by going into System and Update, then Software Update, and it will check automatically. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating because it's important to fix freezing or lagging. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.